I was making the finale of this video and Billy texted me and it interrupted the video. It just stopped it. Nice, huh? So what I've done here is I've taken off the fancy come-along that I found in the trash and I undid the lever and it popped and cranked me right in the funny bone and phew! So I've got the 3 bolts back on and I've got one that I can't put on because the drive shaft's at the wrong angle. I got something biting me on the back of the ear. I'm going to crank this baby up with one battery. And oh, I can't move it backwards because I got this thing here. Tell the Toyota around here. Crank that baby up! Turbo! Come on, baby! Crank her up! Oh yeah, roll that coal. Yahoo! Oh, it stinks. Come on. We've got a glow plug that's not firing, or an injector, or maybe a head gasket. Could be a head gasket. There's no moisture in the oil. Could just be a bad glow plug, but it's pretty warm outside. Had that same problem with the turbo weasel. She'd idle pretty rough, but it wasn't this bad. I put some head gasket sealer in, I drained the block and flushed it and drained it and put the head gasket sealer and followed the instructions to a T, and she ran perfectly. That was 5 years ago, 40,000 miles. So I'm going to move the Toyota forward, otherwise I'll be pulling the Toyota around the yard. Yeah, I know you'd like it. Yeah. Mechanical injection.